Torres. With me is Kristin Torres from the National Cattlemen's Beef Association. Kristin, how are you this morning?
I'm doing great.
Good. Tell me a little bit about what you do at NCBA.
Sure. I'm the Executive Director of Meetings and Events for the National Cattlemen's Beef Association. So that means I oversee the annual convention, all the other small events that we put on throughout the year. We have a team of about 7 people that work full-time on all of those events.
Very good. And I know you've got some conventions coming up here. One next week. Talk about that one.
Absolutely. We do have one next week. Next week is our summer conference. It's a cattle industry summer conference. It's held every year in Denver, Colorado. And this is really the event where cattlemen get down to work and business happens. Policies set. They're really rolling up their shirt sleeves and getting down to business.
Very good. And then you've got another one coming up at the end of January. Is that correct? In San Diego.
We do. That one's a little bit more time consuming, I would say. We have a great lineup for that convention. We are so excited that we've got all of our speakers in place and all of our headliner entertainment in place. So if your name's not Robert, odds are not real high for you that you're going to be a general session speaker this year. Our opening general session is Chef Robert Irvine from the Food Network. We have Cattle Facts. Randy Block actually speaks at that on Thursday of the event. And then Friday we have Robert O'Neill, who's a Navy SEAL. He's going to address the group that day. And then for Cattlemen's College, we have Robert Fraley from Monsanto that's going to come and address the group. It's going to be great.
And tell me about the importance of people in the cattle industry attending these conventions.
Mm-hmm. It's really important actually for cattlemen to mark their calendars and plan to attend this event. Again, this is where the business for the industry is happening, but it's also a chance for cattlemen to connect with their peers from across the country, network with them. The trade show is huge. We have 350 companies that exhibit there, and so anything that you need to manage and operate your business, you can find there on the trade show floor. Plus, we have a whole lot of fun. We have a party planned on the USS Midway, which is a docked aircraft carrier in San Diego, and then Martina McBride is going to close out the concert.
Oh man, I would attend for that.
Yeah, it's going to be great. It's going to be a lot of fun.
And how, if people want more information about where to stay and everything, where can they go?
Sure. Our housing and our registration is going to open that first week in October. So we'll have all the information on the hotels at that point. And if they want to look for more information and find out information about speakers, they can go to our website, which is beefusa.org.
Alrighty. Well, thank you, Kristin, for joining me this morning. And when we come back, we'll have another special guest. Stay with us.